Now let's go for a ride in the old Chrysler. And I keep forgetting my other camera. Mike, I'm sorry. Sure, just run right through that stop sign. It does not apply to you. Anyway, I keep forgetting to use that camera for video. It works really good with its zoom. I'm impressed. I get a lot of bird pictures, and it's anti-shake, anti-motion. I'm really looking into getting one on eBay for full-time camera use. So I keep forgetting to use it in a video. Riding along in my automobile. Nobody's beside me while I'm at the wheel. I don't know how well you can hear with this camera. Sometimes it likes to shut off. We're gonna go down here and we're gonna take it for a ride and get on it a little bit. It's got 150,000 miles on it. Even screeched the bells. 2.7 liter 6-cylinder. This car is old, high mileage, but it's a runner. I got to get some transmission fluid because I believe it's a tad low. Lost a bit of it while I had the cooler lines disconnected. Should have done a bit of a flush. It seems pretty healthy.